is an advanced robotic system designed to assist and support humans in various tasks. It aims to enhance efficiency and convenience in our daily lives. It is equipped with sensors and advanced algorithms. It can detect and avoid obstacles, making it safe to operate in different environments. Whether it's in a home, office, or public space, the Cloy Robot can move around and perform its task with ease. The robot's functionality extends beyond just movement, from cleaning and object manipulation to assistance, entertainment, and communication. Its versatile nature makes it a valuable companion and helper in various settings, simplifying tasks and enhancing daily life. Interacting with the Cloy Robot is intuitive and user-friendly. It is equipped with voice recognition and natural language processing capabilities, allowing users to communicate and give commands easily. It can be controlled remotely through a smartphone or other connected devices, providing convenience and flexibility. Safety is also a top priority for the Cloy Robot. It is equipped with advanced sensors that enable it to detect and respond to potential dangers, ensuring the well-being of both users and the robot itself. The Aeolus Aeo Robot. This innovative robot combines artificial intelligence, advanced sensors, and dexterous manipulation capabilities to interact with its surroundings and assist with everyday activities. It is equipped with a variety of sensors, including cameras, depth sensors, and touch sensors, which allow it to perceive its environment and interact with objects and people. It can recognize and navigate through obstacles, making it suitable for operating in dynamic environments. Aeolus Robot has its ability to perform tasks autonomously. It can recognize and pick up objects, move them to desired locations, and even clean or organize items with precision and efficiency. This makes it a valuable assistant for tasks such as tidying up, fetching objects, or even helping with meal preparation. The robot is also equipped with voice recognition and natural language processing capabilities, allowing users to communicate with it through those commands. This enables a more intuitive and interactive user experience. Also, it can connect to other smart devices and systems at home or office. It can integrate with smart home devices such as lights and thermostats, or even communicate with other robots or virtual assistants. Pudu BellaBot is an interactive robot designed to enhance customer service and efficiency in various settings such as restaurants, cafes, or hotels. BellaBot is equipped with multiple trays capable of carrying food and beverages. It can autonomously navigate through crowded spaces, avoiding obstacles and delivering orders to customers accurately and efficiently. It features an interactive touchscreen display on its body, allowing customers to browse menus, place orders, or request assistance. It provides a user-friendly interface for seamless communication. BellaBot uses expressive gestures and sounds to engage with customers and create a friendly and interactive experience. It can greet customers, express gratitude, or display emotions through its movements and sounds. Its long battery life allows for extended operation without frequent interruptions. A docking station for charging, ensuring it is always ready for service. This robot's appearance can be customized with branding elements such as logos or graphics to align with establishment's identity and enhance brand recognition. ADT Commercial EvoGuard. is a security system designed to protect businesses and commercial properties. It combines advanced technology, professional monitoring, and responsive services to ensure a safe and secure environment. The system includes video surveillance cameras that monitor key areas and capture high-quality footage. It allows businesses to control access through key cards or biometric authentication, enhancing security and preventing unauthorized entry. In case of an alarm or security breach, real-time notifications are sent to business owners and ADT's monitoring center. Trained professionals are available 24/7 to assess the situation and take appropriate action, including contacting authorities if needed. With remote management and monitoring, business owners can access the system through a user-friendly app or web interface. They can view live video feeds, manage access control, and receive alerts from anywhere, staying connected and in control. It is scalable and customizable to fit businesses of all sizes and industries. It can be tailored to specific security needs and integrated with other business systems such as fire alarms. EvoGuard provides businesses with a comprehensive security solution. It includes video surveillance, access control, real-time notifications, remote management, and customization options, ensuring the safety and protection of commercial properties. Meropy SentiV Robot is a robot designed to scout field crops and identify potential threats. It operates close to the ground using near sensing technology. It is aimed to agricultural professionals, providing them with a tool to enhance farming practices, offer advisory solutions for cooperatives, and optimize phenotyping on experimental plots. The gathered information is presented through variability maps, enabling farmers to precisely manage their plots on a daily basis by adjusting inputs. SentiV is focused on benefiting the agricultural sector, including improving farming profitability through input savings, increased yields, and better crop quality, enhancing the quality of life of farmers by saving time and improving working comfort, and preserving the environment by reducing inputs and minimizing soil compaction. Once in place, the robot detects where it has been set up and moves without an operator nearby. The plot is surveyed and analyzed in its entirety, covering up to 20 hectares per day. Collected data are analyzed by artificial intelligence algorithms, allowing to monitor nutrition and water requirements of crops for variable rates suiting or spraying, identify the presence of biological threats such as weeds, diseases, and pests.